Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Skilling course. Let us learn how to use the function VLOOKUP in MS Excel. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. When we need to find information in a large spreadsheet or we are looking for the same kind of information from two sheets, we can use the VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function always looks up a value in the leftmost column of a table and returns the corresponding value from a column to the right. It is a function that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. We can use VLOOKUP to combine multiple tables into one, as long as one of the tables has at least one field in common with all the others. Before we start with the VLOOKUP function, we must be sure that the details we have in our Excel sheet is accurate and well organized. So let's get started. In this Excel sheet, we have an application number in this A column. Now, we need to find the name of the student whose application number is this. One way we can do this, copy the application number and search for it in our main data. By searching, we have located it. And let's enter the details under the name column. If we need to find one or two such values from our data, we can proceed this way. Let us say that we are asked to find names for hundreds of such IDs. Searching one by one will be time consuming. In such cases, we can use the VLOOKUP function. Here, we have given application numbers of candidates and we are asked to find the name and test center code of these candidates. Let us enter the function equal to VLOOKUP. Step 1. First, let us select the application number column followed by comma. Step 2. Go to the main data sheet. Here, we need to check where the application column exists. It is in the B column. So, select the B column. Step 3. We want the names corresponding to the application number from this data. It is available in the D column. We should select the range from B to D. See D. Followed by comma. From the lookup column, the names column is located in the third column, that is 1, 2 and 3. Now, so enter 3 again and put a comma. Now, we need the exact match for the lookup value. To get exact value, type 0. Finally, tap enter. We have got the names in this column now. To apply the function below, just right click here or just drag the cursor down. Now it has been applied to all the cells. Similarly, let's do for test center code. Select the lookup value, enter comma. Next, go to the main sheet and select where the Excel needs to look up for a value, that is from application number, and then select till the center code. Comma, count the column number. Range for output. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So enter 6 followed by comma. Then enter 0 for exact value and finally tap enter. We have got the test center code also. This is how VLOOKUP function works. It will get easier once we practice this function a few times. Thank you.